What is up, YouTube? Let me ask you something. What is the single most important skill for anybody who wants to make money online? If you said writing emails, you'd be right. And I have the most amazing bonus you're ever going to see. I'm going to tell you all about it. It's coming right up in my review of Essential Emails. Before we get to that, my name is Eric Camera. I am known as the man with the hat. That's because I wear footwear pretty much everywhere that I go. I am one of the very few people who can pull off successfully. Well, me and my buddy Neil over here. Now, if you are new to the channel, by the way, if you're not new, feel free to skip ahead. I know that my jokes can be as stale as well. Old bagels. They happen. They're horrible. It's a terrible thing. I know my jokes are really stale. Even that joke is getting really old. So forgive me. I'm not a comedian. I'm a salesman. And I'm also an internet marketer. Anyway, but seriously, if you are new, what I do here is two things. I review software and info products to make my online niche. And why would I do such a thing, you might ask? Well, it's actually very, very simple. It's to make sure that you don't end up buying a bunch of crap.
What a load of crappy crap.
Right, boy.
Okay, Bart, you know, this has gone on long enough. We've had this relationship going for like a year now, a year and a half, something like that. Don't you think it's time to get a new line? Please, could we please raise some money to get this poor guy a new line already? Anyway, but seriously, if you are new, the way things work here, if I like a product, I will give it my hat to the product creator. If I don't, well, better luck next time. Now, I also do a lot of videos here involving mindset and entrepreneurship.
Yes, he's an entrepreneur. He's very successful.
Well, thank you, Liz Lemon. Now, you would think, in a logical world, I would be pissed off at Liz Lemon, just like I'm pissed off at Bart for constantly using the same line. But somehow or other, Liz makes it sound good, you know? Maybe because she's praising me. I don't know. Anyhow, but seriously, if you are new to the channel, make sure you go ahead and smash that subscribe button, hit the bell icon to be notified when I drop new videos. Because frankly, well, subscribe doesn't mean much here on YouTube anymore. Make sure you like this video, comment down below. Let's get right into this. Okay, so we are looking at the sales page right now for essential emails from my friend Dawud Islam. Dawud is one of the top marketers on Warrior Plus. He's been doing this for a few years, and he comes out with new launches like every few weeks. The guy is like a machine with the launches. I'm going to tell you about it in just a second. Before I do, though, I'm giving away probably the most important bonus I have ever given away. And I've never done this before. And I think I'm probably nuts to be doing this, to be perfectly honest. I have a video course that some of you may have seen. It's called the Triple S Method. It is the secret to writing emails that really make money, like serious money. Okay, it is one of the best videos I've ever made. I've given it away as a bonus before. Okay, it's also been included in my email success secrets, but for the first time ever, I'm actually going to let you get full PLR rights to the Triple S video. Okay, that means that you can sell it, you can give it away, use it as a bonus, whatever you want, and you can even put my name as the creator. That's something that I have never, ever done, because this is one of my best, most important videos ever that is really gonna up your game. So that's just a huge, huge, huge bonus. Okay, and I'm gonna throw in a couple of other things that are just like, you know, the usual courses on traffic and stuff like that, but that's a big, big bonus for you. All right, that's number one. Now, if you pick up any upgrade, I have the original version of the Email Success Secrets course. This Email Success Secrets, if you're not familiar, was a launch I did a few months back. It was very successful. It's been very, very popular. Everybody has been thrilled with it. And there was an original version of it, a 5-video course that I created earlier that you're going to be able to get PLR on if you pick up any upgrade to Essential Emails. All right, so that means you pick up the basic course plus any upgrade, you get PLR to the original email success secrets. I have not offered this in ages, and I don't know if I ever will again, because again, these are really, really high-end videos. These are not crap, okay? And I know Bart is waiting in the wings to tell me about crap. These are not crap. These are really, really high-end videos that are really, really important. Let's take a quick look at the members area just so you can see what you got here. So it's basically going to give you the training on how Dawood writes his emails, and he's pretty good at it. He does get a lot of sales. Okay, and he's also going to give you some ready-made emails, which is a big deal to have ready-made emails that you can use. Okay, and he's going to show you how to use other people's emails. Of course, there's a few bonuses here. Okay, that he's going to give you, as well as a few unadvertised bonuses from Mike from Maine and from Joan Altress. So some cool stuff here. Okay, but my bonus is going to blow your mind. The Triple S strategy video, which you get it completely for free, but not just for free, you get to give it away. You have PLR rights to it. I've never done that before, ever. I don't know if I ever will, because I really think it's crazy for me to do that for a course that costs like what, $10, $12, something like that. Okay, let's see. I forgot exactly how much this thing is going for. $12.95. Okay, that is simply bonkers for me to give away PLR to the Triple S video course, because that is one of my most important videos ever. And for 12 bucks, that you'd be insane not to take it. But you know, hey, I'm doing something a little bit nutty, so go figure. Anyhow, let's go ahead and see if I am going to give it to Master Product Creator or not.
For the giant hat, sir.
Well, yeah, that was obvious, wasn't it? I mean, seriously. Yeah, look, I like the course, and picking it up with PLR to my Triple S video, that's just absolutely insane. Nobody else is going to do that for you. Go ahead and grab this one. This one you're going to love.